Hi everybody, my name is Michelle from Knitaway, and in today's video what we're going to learn is how to cast off. So this is the final part of the 4 stages that you need as a beginner to know. So you've got your slip knot, how to cast on, knit, and then finally how to cast off. And then that's it, you can get cracking. So let's get started. Right, what we're going to do now is we're going to cast off. So you've got your knitting there on your left hand needle. So what we're going to do, get the right hand needle and you're going to put it through like you're going to knit. Wrap it round, so you're going to knit your first 2 stitches. So that's 1, 2. There we go. You'll always have 2 stitches on your right hand needle when you're casting off. So you get this left hand needle underneath that stitch and I'll put it onto there and then lift it over that stitch there and slide it off. As easy as that. So we'll do it again. Through there, through that stitch, wrap it round. So you've now got 2 stitches. So you've always make sure you've got 2 stitches. So that stitch there, you're just going to lift it over that stitch like that. That's casting off. As easy as that. So wrap it around there like that. Pull that over that stitch there. Can you see? Like that. So now the 4 steps, which is slip knot, cast on, knitting, and casting off. So this is the final part of a beginner's. Okay, so through there. Wrap it around on there and pull that over that stitch like that. You can see the cast off stitches now here. So let's do it again. Wrap it round, pull that stitch over there like that and keep going. You keep doing that until the end of the row. All right. So through there, wrap it round over there. As easy as that. You've always got 2 stitches on this side, so knit that one and then pull that one over like that, through there like that. If you need to pause at any time and go back, that's great, because then you're just watching and understanding. So over there like that, through there, wrap it around, and that goes over there like that. Can you see we've got us cast on there? Look how neat that is. So again, through there, wrap it round, over there, like that, round there, like that, over. Just keep doing that, and honestly, it's as easy as that. That's all we need to do. So pull it over there, through that loop, through that, around there, that over there, that over there. So you've then got that stitch onto there, and then all you need to do is get a pair of scissors, cut it, and then take that off the needle. And all you're going to do, you can pull that up just to make the stitch bigger. All you do is get that piece there, put it through the last stitch. So just put it through there like that. Can you see? Like that, and then pull that until it's right up to there. So there you go. There's your cast off. Right, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you want to see more, the links are down below. If you want to like it, please. And if you want to follow me, press the subscribe button there. And then you can follow me, and also the little bell which tells you when I'm doing a new video. So hopefully I'm doing them weekly. So if you want to keep learning as we do this journey together, I am going to teach you how to knit. So keep following me, put comments down, and I'll see you later. Bye.